Meaning of indirect tax.
Indirect tax.
Indirect tax.
Indirect tax.
Indirect tax. An indirect tax is a tax that is levied on goods or services rather than directly on income. This type of tax is usually included in the price of the product or service and is paid by the consumer when they purchase it. Indirect taxes can be imposed at both the national and local level, and are commonly used to raise revenue for government programs and services. Examples of indirect taxes include sales tax, value-added tax, VAT, excise tax, and tariffs. These taxes can have an impact on both producers and consumers, as they can affect the price and availability of goods and services.